they've got that new Messi drink here. First time I've seen it. And the thing is, I don't know which one to get. Shall I get the lemon? I think I'm going to go for lemon and lime. There's an orange one. There's Berry Crush and Miami Punch. You know what? I'm going for lemon and lime. You know, I love lemon and lime. Give it a shot. Alright guys, time to try out Messi's Mass Plus Hydration. Give it a shot. Bismillah. Alright, I have to be real with you. This Messi's drink here, yeah, so this Messi's drink, it reminds me of the old school, you know, Calippo ice pops, like that. I mean, I was thinking it was going to be sweet, like a typical lemon flavored drinks are, but this is like really sour and it's strong. It's strong. It tastes like real lemon. So for that, you know what, Messi? You just kicked it out of the park with that one. I like it. It gets an eye. Peace out. Biatch.